What's up YouTube, it's Brandon from Tattooing 101, and today we're going to get into the holiday spirit. It is now Halloween. So in this video I'm going to show you the ways to draw up some Halloween flash, really simple designs that you could do on Halloween or a couple days before to make some easy money. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to break down and show you exactly how I would come up with some Halloween simple flash for you to be able to do. So we're going to do a couple different designs on this. They're going to be very simple, so you'll be able to use these designs to either tattoo, practice on fake skins, or just have some Halloween flash drawn up for in the future. So we're just going to start out with some circles here, just mapping out where we want our designs to be, and we want them small, about like a $half size, something like that, to where you could do it pretty simple. And if you're first practicing, it'll be really easy. There's just going to be line work, so you don't have to go too crazy into it. So let's start out with the middle here. Let's do a skull. So we'll start out with the top circle and come down for the bottom part of the jaw. So really easy, quick designs that you could just pretty much draw very easily and quickly. Because you want these tattoos to take, like, if you're doing a Halloween flash sale, they're all going to be shop minimum tattoos to where they don't take a ton of time. You could pretty much use one needle for the whole thing and just, get them out the door. What that does is also help you gain some business and get new clients as well. So we'll do a little ghost. And pretty much the possibilities are endless with this. You could do little Jason mask, little Freddy hands, pretty much anything to do with Halloween. You could pretty much do anything horror related and it works out. So feel free to add more designs. Obviously there's more room to do some in between here if you wanted to add on to these designs or just do your own. This is just a quick video showing you exactly how to make some quick, easy designs that can make you some money. Cool, so usually now I would go in with my blue pencil, but I pretty much have them all mapped out. They're really easy to do, so I could just go into my final design right now. As you can see, my lines went through this design, which is no big deal because they're going to be blacked in anyway. But that just makes it easier because you want all your lines to map out perfectly. And even if it wasn't going to be black, you could just go in and erase that section on the inside of those lines, so it's not a big deal. But you always want your lines, if it's going through, to match up on the other side or it'll just look super awkward. And this is why learning to draw is so important, because if you're not able to draw, it would be super hard to go through and just be able to draw these things very quickly. So this is why, I stress practicing drawing all the time. Because there's a lot of things you could do with marketing, Halloween, different holidays, Black Friday, Friday the 13th, to where you could have deals to make money on times that would normally be, you know, slow periods of time for tattooing. Another thing, adding these little breaks in this design, if you're having problems with doing perfectly straight lines when you're tattooing, adding these little breaks will help you be able to go up to this point, you know, and if you accidentally make a mistake when you're tattooing like you do this, you could just add a little mark to it and keep going. So adding little breaks in anything you're doing to where it like is really, really long and straight will help out a ton with your tattooing. And if you're further along at tattooing and you know, understand how to tattoo perfectly and be able to do shading and stuff like that, by all means, you could do these tattoo designs with shading in them, you know, add a little bit to it. But I definitely recommend if you're first starting out to just focus on line work. And there you have it, our completed quick flash designs for Halloween. I hope this was able to help you guys out, and what I want to know down below is if you're excited for Halloween and if you think it's weird for an adult to dress up if they have children. You know, if their kids want them to dress up, obviously I'm going to. So do you think that's weird, or is it something you get into as well? Because I do look forward to Halloween and being able to put on a costume and go out. You know, I've never really been to like cosplays or anything, but I feel like I would really enjoy that. So I should definitely do that in the future. But leave a comment down below. I'll check them out and get back with you. As always, you have a wonderful day.